guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Karen Valladares. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving Day yesterday. And now, after Thanksgiving, everybody knows Christmas is around the corner. So we need to start decorating our homes. That's why I made some cute kitchen towels. It's a little dress that you can use in your oven, in your kitchen. It's so beautiful. I already made that tutorial of this crochet part. That top part is here in my channel, so you can go and look for the video and make these beautiful kitchen towels. I am also selling the towels with the Christmas design. It's a red truck. It says Merry Christmas, and this is Christmas calories don't count. It's beautiful. I like it. If you want to order these towels, if you live in United States, I can send it to you. I have a low stock, so if you want to go to my Etsy store, nataliespot.etsy.com. So that's all for today. I hope you like it. I hope you like this beautiful idea, and you can make this for you or for your friends, for a present, for a gift, or whatever. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends. Thank you for watching.